What's up everybody, got a screen protector install video here to share with all of you for the 12.9-inch iPad Pro. This one comes from a company called Spigen. Comes with this large guide that you can place the iPad in to assist you installing the tempered glass screen protector. Comes with some simple instructions there. Now this thing is giant compared to the mobile phones that I'm used to installing screen protectors on, so I thought I'd give it a shot. I also went ahead and ordered the camera lens protectors here, and it came as a double pack, so that's good. I'll have an extra one. So when you want to place the iPad down into this, if you purchase this, just want to make sure where your camera is at. It shows right on the guide there that you just place it down in the guide that way. It's really simple. Pretty straightforward. Then what you want to do is just go ahead and clean the screen on your iPad. So the way you're looking at it right here is that is actually the back where the number 1 is, where I'm grabbing to peel off. So you want to have the back facing you, so those words like press and slide are actually going to be backwards. Then you want to flip it over and place the back down on the screen of the iPad. And from here, I would just give it a couple of seconds. Then all you got to do is follow the instructions here by pressing and sliding in the center, and then go ahead and peel off the top layer. Now, I was lucky and had 2 big bubbles that pressed right off the edge, so I was able to push them right off the side, and it turned out really good. As far as the camera lens protector, that you just peel off the back of it, and you just place it down on there, and it just sticks down on there, and you just press it, make sure it's nice and flat, and then peel off the top layer. And taking a look at this once it was all done. Now mine turned out really well. I know the guide that they provide helped me install this, but I have no bubbles on the front protector or the rear camera there, so it all turned out really good for me. I went ahead and put the iPad back into the Spigen case that I have, and I was taking a look around the edges to make sure that it was compatible, and there are absolutely no issues at all. Fits right on there. I mean, it's perfect. It's not pressing on the protector or anything like that. And as far as the screen response time, no difference. It's almost like there's no screen protector on there. As far as fingerprints, seems like it's pretty fingerprint resistant. So I give this one a 2 thumbs up. Links will be in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.